Hello everyone, welcome to TUFS online class support. I'm Miki, a first master student at the Tokyo University of Foreign Studies. In this session, we will go over how to download the handouts and to submit the assignments on Moodle. 2 points covered on this video are first, how to download the handouts on Moodle, and the second, how to submit the assignment on Moodle. We will first go through how to download the handouts. First, log into Moodle. Once you log in, open the page for the class you are already enrolled in. If there are any handouts, it will show like this. Click the file and it will automatically start the download, like this. The download is now completed. Let's move on to how to submit the assignments. When you are asked to submit the assignments on Moodle, the instructor will set up a submission box like this. Click the box, you will see a page like this. Then, click the Upload File Type In button. You will then see a screen like this to upload your file. Open the folder where your file is, and drag and drop the file into the designated space. Now you are ready to upload the file. Here, click the button Save the Changes. So, you have now successfully submitted the assignment. Once your file has been successfully submitted, you will receive an email to your TUFS account stating the submission. If you have mistakenly submitted the wrong file, no worries. Click the Revise the File button and you will return to the previous screen. Click the wrong file you have uploaded and then click the Delete button to delete the file. Note that time limit is set for most of the submission boxes. Make sure to keep the deadline. This is the end of this session. Thank you for joining us. Sayonara. Khodafez.